everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a quick video of a set I did this past weekend. I had a few things I was doing, so I just wanted to have my nails done. And I did a pink and green set just because my toes are pink and green, so I kind of wanted to match. So I went in with my peel off base coat and I cured that for 30 seconds. And then now I'm applying the long sculptor coffin tips from enailcouture. Sorry, I was out of frame. I just put a little bit on my nail bed and then place some on the tip, and then I'm just laying it down at an angle and then flash curing that real quick into place. And then once I have them all on, I go ahead and cure the whole hand for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with this madamglam base coat. I really love this. The consistency is perfect. It's not too thick, not too thin. It works amazing. And then I'm going in with Obsession, this pink color from Macart. It looks like it's a bright neon pink, but then, I don't know, it changed really dark. It was really weird. So you'll see me hold up my hands a few times to compare. So I did go in with 2 coats of that and cured each coat for 60 seconds. Now I'm going with the BB209, the ombre gel from enailcouture. It's this real pretty bright neon green, and it's got little specks in it. They're not really shimmery glitters, little just colored specks of glitter. It's super pretty. It is pretty sheer though, kind of like a jelly, so I did go ahead and apply 3 coats of that. And then after each coat, I did cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going on with Shiny Star top coat, and this is the shade Cosmos. I'm going in on all the pink nails. I'm sorry, I thought I was recording that part. So yeah, I'm showing you here on the thumb. Oh, it's just beautiful, just the sparkle it has. But you can see how the top of the nail got really dark. I don't know, it's so weird. I don't know what happened there. And then of course we're going to use the madamglam top coat. I absolutely love this top coat. Oh, it's just so shiny, and oh, it's just so good. I love it. So yeah, I go ahead and apply a coat of that and then cure that for 30 seconds. And then this one is not a no wipe top coat, so you do have to go in and just remove the tacky layer with some alcohol. Next, I'm going in with these flower glitters from Amazon. These are the green ones. So I did have to take the pointy end of my rhinestone picker and I stuck it in the middle so that way it would have a curve in it so it would fit on the nail better. So I'm just applying some of the Macart rhinestone glue, and then I'll stick that flower on there. And then to make sure that it sits flat, I'm using my flashlight that has the clear jelly stamper at the top. And then to me, the flowers just were not green enough, so I'm taking the enailcouture, the neon green liner gel, and I'm just going on and I'm just filling in the flower to make it really bright green. It was really pretty. So I went ahead and cured those for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with the rhinestone glue and just putting it right in the middle of the flower, and I'm just placing a rhinestone in the middle of each flower. And so this is actually the next morning, Saturday morning. I thought they were still a little bit too plain, so I went in with the green liner and I just added some little swirls coming out of the flowers. And I'm using my Joss Love nail art brushes. I do have a code 15 Sandra that you can use right now on Amazon. It's good till June 5th. So you can go ahead and save 15% on those, but those brushes are great. You get acrylic brush, a 3D acrylic brush, gel brushes, nail art, just so many brushes. It's perfect kit. It has all the brushes that you need. And you'll see me go in and wipe the design off with alcohol because I am not good at nail art at all. So that's one thing I really need to practice. And if I did like the design, I did go ahead and just flash cure it real quick so I wouldn't mess it up. And then I'm gonna go in with the Madam Glam top coat again, and top coat where I put the green little swirls, and then I also put some a little bit on top of the flowers. That way it seals in the liner gels. And then I'm applying some cuticle oil. My cuticles got super dry from all that alcohol from wiping off the design. So yeah, definitely needed that cuticle oil. So this is the finished set here. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick set, but I thought they came out super cute. I love green and pink together. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everyone who comes and supports my channel. You guys are just awesome. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Bye.